out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy, and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, I hope you will consider clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can stick around and see what Sincerely Cindy Settle is all about. And if you have been here a while, thank you for tuning in and for checking out what I have new today. And you will see that today we have a Stitch Fix box. I love Stitch Fix days. I have done several of these styling boxes, and I have to say that Stitch Fix is probably my favorite at this point. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will put a description in the description box, but you pay a $20 styling fee. They curate 5 items based on your style profile. They send them to you, you try them on. If you like them, your $20 styling fee goes towards anything that you want to keep, and then anything that you do not want to keep, you can send back in a prepaid mailer that they will send you in your box. So let's dig right in and see what we have. All right, so first up, we have our mailer, and that is United States Postal Service. And then this just tells you that they do have your very own shop. So on the app, they curate items and put them in your shop in your app based on your style profile, and also based on the items in your style shuffle that you click yay or nay. So I have ordered one item. Actually, I've ordered 2 items. One they sent, I tried on, I sent back, I was not a fan. The second item is on its way. So it's a pair of boots, and I'm super excited about them. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they work out well. You also will get an envelope. You will have an oh hello, and this is just your style card and your stylist note. So it does give you ways to style your items, and then your stylist note here, and we will read that in just a few minutes. I have to get my glasses for that. And then we also have, this is going to be your invoice. So it's going to have all of your prices, your colors, your brands, your discounts, all of that good stuff is going to be on here. So we will go over that at the end, because I do not like to be swayed by the prices. I like to try them on, see if I like them, and then check out the prices and see if that makes a difference. So we have quite a big bundle, so I'm not going to try to get it out here, but just looks like I've got some paper in here, and it is wrapped, so it is a little bundle, but I'm just going to rip it and see what we have. Okay, so let's dig right in. So it looks like first out of the box we have a yellow, mustard yellow. This looks like it's a utility jacket or cargo jacket, however you want to call it. It's got multiple pockets there, zipper down the front, as well as buttons. The hood is detachable. Looks like you can cinch the waist in. Very cute. I love the collar. Very casual. I like it. It would look cute with some jeans and hiking boots, and very cute. All right, so next we have this super cute sweater. I like the detailing there, and it is a little bit of a hoodie. Kind of casual, looks very comfortable. I like that. This is also something that is very soft. This is Market and Spruce. This just looks like it's a casual, also maybe a little bit of a dolman type of top. Very, very soft. Very cute. I like that collar too. That's a different collar, like an olive green. Oh, and here we have something floral. All right, it looks like it is a dress. Not sure I'm crazy about that, but it would probably look very cute with some brown boots. So we will give it a try. And finally, again, something very soft. Looks like we have all shirts and a jacket this time. Again, a very comfy and cozy, casual, kind of a heathered black top. All right, so I'm just gonna throw on some jeans or some leggings and try these on. See you in a minute. Okay, here we are with item number 1. This is the black brushed, heathered, whatever it's called, shirt. It fits me nicely. I don't have any complaints about it. It is a quarter length sleeve. fits me nicely. I'm just not sure that I'm loving it. I'm trying to get away from black and get more color in my wardrobe. So I'm not sure that it will be a keeper unless this turns out to be a 5 for $5 box, but I do like it. I think it fits nicely. It's not too snug anywhere. It fits nice over my chest. It's just kind of, it's okay. Just not loving it. So let me know what you think, if I should go ahead and stick with it because it's black and maybe it does make me look a little slimmer. So let me know. I appreciate your feedback. Okay, next up we have a couple of items. Here we have the Market and Spruce cargo jacket. I like the collar, and I like that it can be cinched here at the waist, and that's done on the inside. Other than that, it feels a little bit big. The sleeves are a little bit long. And I have asked for a yellow rain jacket for Christmas. So I'm not sure that this will be a keeper, although it is very cute. I'm just not sure that I'm loving it. So let's take a look at the shirt underneath. This is the olive collared sweater. So again, it's made almost exactly like the black one that I just had on. I love the collar. The 3/4 length sleeve is nice. It's not too heavy. You could layer it easily with a cardigan or another jacket. It fits nicely with leggings. It covers everything it needs to cover. If I wanted to wear it with leggings, I feel like I could dress this up or dress it down, wear it to work if I wanted to, and also wear it with jeans and some cute booties as well. So this one definitely might be a contender. Let me know what you think. I like your opinion. I like this color. Let me know. All right, here we have the cable knit sweater. I'm not sure how well you guys can see everything. I know my lighting is not the best. But anyway, this is very comfortable. Again, I feel like it fits me very nicely. Stitch Fix definitely has my fit down really well. This is white or grayish in color. Not sure it's the most flattering on my body. But I do like the V-neck and I do like the little hood. So I'll probably go back and watch the footage on this one and see if it's a keeper. I like the details of this. It's got a little bit more interest to it than the green does. So I don't know, we'll see. Again, I'm working on the lighting. I've asked for a ring light for Christmas. So hopefully in the next 6 weeks, 8 weeks, we'll have new lighting. So let me know what you think. All right, here is our final item. This is the dress. Again, very soft. I like the 3/4 length sleeve. I'll pan down here and show you the length. Well, maybe you can see the length. I do have it paired with a pair of boots, and I'll show you those in just a few minutes. But I feel like this, I think I like the print, and I like the color combinations. It's very fallish. However, I do wish that it were a little more cinched at the waist and not so sack-like. I just feel like a little bit of waist definition is a good thing for me. So I don't know, it's very comfortable like this, but I just feel like it's very, maybe if I belted it, I would like it a little bit better. A brown belt would be pretty. So let me pan down, you can see the length and you can see the boots. So as you can see, very good length for knee-high boots. You could wear tights with booties. You could wear over the knee boots. So any of those would work. So I love getting your opinion, so let me know what you think. I'll be back in just a second with a wrap up. So you guys have already seen all of the prices and everything. I, however, have not. But let's really quickly see what Michaela had to say. That's my stylist. She said, "Hey there, Cindy. I'm excited to welcome you to your November fix. Can you believe November is here already? I noticed that you are loving mustard yellow, so I thought you might like the Kathleen cargo jacket from Market and Spruce. Layer over the Polson brushed knit top from Market and Spruce. I also noticed that you were looking for some soft and cozy sweaters, so I thought you might like the Afon cable knit cotton blend hooded pullover or the Polson brushed knit top. I think you will look amazing in the Skyly brushed knit dress from 9 Britain. I hope you love this fix, Cindy. What styles are you hoping to try next? Take care, Michaela." So let's get right to the pricing. So the cargo jacket in mustard is $88. The olive green mixed by 41 Hawthorne top is $38, very reasonable. Then we have the market and spruce cable knit cotton in light gray is $64. And then we have the black market and spruce knit top in $38 as well. Those felt almost exactly alike. They are by different companies, but the feel of them is fabulous, and they feel almost exactly alike. And then we have the 9 Britain brushed knit dress in black, and it is $44. Also a very reasonable price. So the total box would be $272. If you buy all 5 pieces, you get a 25% off discount, which would bring my total to $204. So not a bad price for 5 items that was styled by a stylist. So again, let me know what you think. Again, Stitch Fix has been my favorite. They've done the best in terms of actually given me what I'm looking for. I was looking for cozy items. I feel like they delivered on that. I don't know that I'm gonna keep everything in the box because I'm not in love with everything. Actually, I'm not in love with anything, to be honest, but the green, olive green shirt is probably my best bet if I want to get my styling fee, if I want that to go towards something and not lose it. So if you want to give Stitch Fix a try, I will put a link down in the description box. I'm not sure how much that referral is gonna be. Sometimes it's 25, sometimes it's 50, sometimes it's 100. So if you wanna give it a try, you get that credit and I get that credit as well. Stick around for the next time. I might be doing something book related. I might have another fix. I might have another box that I'm gonna try. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do next. So I hope you'll stick around, like, comment, share, and I'm signing out. I'm Sincerely Cindy Settle. Mwah.